All right, let's begin with the breaking news that's coming in. This is regarding the Reclaim Night protest that happened last night, which has stunned doctors. The TMC Neta has now shocked the country with his remark. TMC's Kunal Ghosh has said, and I quote, "Rape kahan nahi hota hai." He's gone on to laud the Chief Minister for meeting the victim's skin as well. Kunal Ghosh's ghastly take on tragedy is what we are seeing and is what we are getting you. Listen in to what TMC's Kunal Ghosh has said.
एक भी स्टेट बताइए ये जो इंसिडेंट है रेप एंड मर्डर ये बहुत 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 बुरा बहुत ये नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई सोसाइटी में नहीं होना चाहिए। लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेट केस ये है सोसाइटी में इस तरह। अब देखिए, एक स्टेट बताइए, एक स्टेट जहां पे रेप नहीं हुआ, एक स्टेट बताइए, एक।
My colleague Tapash is joining us with more on this. Tapash, this is absolutely shocking, coming in from a leader of the Trinamool Congress, the ruling party in West Bengal, which has been facing flack over its handling of this entire crime. But this is absolutely uncalled for and bizarre, to say the least.
Well, it's absolutely a person like Kunal Ghosh, who happens to be a senior leader of the Trinamool Congress. This kind of a comment is unwarranted and he wanted to question that where does rape not happen? It may be in a BJP ruled state, it may be in a left ruled state or a Congress ruled state. It is a the society and the mindset. It's nothing to do with the government, but somehow the timing when he made this comment have not gone down well amongst the doctors who are protesting relentlessly, who have faced last night's mayhem. I'd like to go across to one of them joining us, Dr. Shubhankar Chatterjee. Amidst this protest which is ongoing, Kunal Ghosh, a senior member of Trinamool Congress, said कि रेप कहाँ नहीं होता है, हर राज्य में होता है, बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, लेफ्ट, हर राज्य में होता है, ये मानसिकता है, लेकिन ये रेप नहीं होना चाहिए. Would you like to respond to this comment of Kunal Ghosh?
This is completely an inhuman approach on us, and in these circumstances when all the doctors, not only the doctors and students, but the whole Bengal last night, they have protested against this kind of heinous attack. A doctor on duty inside the hospital campus on her own department has been raped and murdered. And how can an officer from a ruling party can say like that? We condemn. We have no, actually, this type of languages always comes from the authority and from the government, who runs the government, may it be any color. We have seen like this type of comments from all the governments in past also. But we, the students and doctors, are protesting against all these atrocities.
Do you think it reflects the narrative of the ruling party?
I do think that the ruling party is trying to lighten the thing. They are trying to hush up. We have initially seen in the case. Now they have vandalized the whole hospital. They are hooligans. What they are trying to shift our focus from the movement to another cases.
Well, that's what the doctors believe. You can see that here the nursing staffs are also holding meeting at the moment, and I'm standing outside the administrative building of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. Here are the nursing staffs who are holding a meeting right now. All they want, a little while back, they held the principal from entering the administrative building here, and the principal was held for good 1 hour. They only wanted a written assurance from her, stating that she will be responsible and accountable for all the safety and security measures, to which the principal since last 1 hour could not assure them in written. And finally, a little while back, the principal have gone inside. And most interestingly, the mayhem that we witnessed yesterday, the police have registered 3 suo motu complaints, but the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital is yet to file a police complaint. It's almost 12 hours now. Back to you.
Right, Tapash, let's also tell our viewers what exactly happened last night. It was supposed to be historic, something